Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I'll show you guys in a second. It is a massage head attachment, so it should go onto those like Theraguns and gun massage heads. And so this one here comes with a bunch of attachments. So if you needed any replacement attachments or try different versions and things like that, that's what you get with this. So I have a massage gun over here. I'm gonna open this up, get it out. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is my massage gun here. And so let's try out some of these ones here. So this one here is a two-headed, look at this one here. Sorry about the dog. Two-headed little spongy one. Oh, it feels kind of good. And so that would fit inside there. Hey, look at that. First try, it fits perfect. And then it kind of, stop it. There. So let's see what happens here. We turn this on. And look at that. Now we've got a double head massage gun. Man, that is, oh, I need somebody to do this to me, but this is amazing. This is the head that I like the most, are these kind of ones with the bouncy. So there's that one there. Let's turn this off for a second. I think I'll hold it down. So that's this two-headed one. We also have the ball version two-headed one, which is, again, a little bit squishy, but not as squishy. So let's try that one. Oh, wait, how do I do it? Oh, I forgot. There we go. So, down there. That's a little harder than I like. I don't know. But I like the squishy one. So, I'm very sensitive. But this is what it looks like there. So, it works. It's great that it fits my massage gun that I already have. Oh, holy mackerel. I did it so fast. I didn't push it in all the way. And then what we also get is a large ball. The one that I got came with a small ball. Wherever, I don't even know. Oh yeah, it came with a little small one. So this one here is larger. You can kind of see, small versus large. There we go. So it came with a large ball, which is going to work the same as the other ones, I guess. And it came with a single large one of these, the bouncy ones that I like. See, mine came with a bouncy one. Actually, it's not too much difference in size, a little bit different shape. But so this one here is it, but it's got good flex to it. So these are the style that I like. So I'm going to be putting this one here on my gun, and it is probably just going to stay like this. And this is what I will always be using because that's what I like, as a double head and the squishy ones. So super cool. Thumbs up if you have a massage gun already. These are going to fit it. I guess they're all universal for some reason. They just all fit. So super cool. Thumbs up.